Hola, beauty. It is Christmas Eve. Welcome back to my channel. First, like, comment, and subscribe. And welcome to the Christmas vlog, the Hardiman family's Christmas vlog.
Hola, beauties.
Y'all, she heard me. She looks for the camera. I don't care where it is. She will find it and make an appearance. Y'all, today we have a family mukbang for Christmas Eve. So y'all, let's get into this video. And we are back. And this time I'm back with the entire Hardiman clan. Bam, bam, bam. Kaylin is the only one in the pajamas for now. We have the fireplace burning behind me. Okay, y'all, can y'all please say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
This one here wasn't present for the last mukbang.
Yes, she was. She was on FaceTime.
Y'all, she was on FaceTime. Excuse me, y'all, she is of age. Tell them how old you are since you're sipping.
Explain that to these people.
She's 23, so she is legal. Can you tell them your name?
Mama, wow. They in our business. Tell them don't do that.
What?
They in our business. Don't do that.
Okay. Back to you. Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Kirsten.
She's Kirsten, aka?
Kirsten with the nice teeth.
AKA.
AKA?
Coco.
There is no AKA.
Poco.
No, you asked me to introduce myself? My name is Kirsten.
She drunk.
There's D Hard right there. And of course, everyone knows Miss Chloe Alexis. And we have two others that are MIA at this point.
Just tell them, man, Katie gonna put a wig on. People, man, if you gonna be 100, tell the people the truth.
What's the truth?
Read on the way, and Katie put no wig on.
Okay,
I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all.
that's right. Thank you, Daddy. And we are back. The family is here. We are ready for the mukbang.
Yeah.
We have some good old Wingstop. And let me turn the camera just a bit. Y'all, this is my bonus son. This is Britton. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay.
I'm already in a white shirt.
This is my son. And y'all, he's
Oh, y'all didn't let me know then. You just move my legs like something. I'm like, hold on, bro.
it's still running.
Boom. No.
Alright, we good now. We're ready. Carry on.
Action. Take 11.
All right, y'all. Let me introduce y'all to my son. This is Britton. Come on, Britton. Let my subscribers know all about you. Britton is making me a glammy in January.
Okay. 75,000 or better. No kids, preferably.
Whoa.
And a 750 credit score too.
Let's rewind back to no kids. Okay, never mind. Team Hardiman in this camp. Oh, let's make our thumbnail.
I gotta get a box of wings. I gotta be like.
Yeah, no. All right. Come on, Tiki. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right.
Where the place at?
All right, y'all. The topic of today's mukbang.
Where the hot wings? Why didn't you get boneless hot wings?
Whoa.
Either eat them or shut up.
Either love me.
This is the first time I feel like I'm eating like a real holiday meal, like you see on the movies. But normally everybody just show up and eat when they want to.
Normally everybody what, Britt?
Just show up and eat when they want to.
Okay, y'all. Let's discuss this new Christmas that we're having right now. The COVID Christmas. How do y'all really feel about it?
I don't think we have enough time to discuss.
Yeah, we have enough. Let's talk.
Well, you see, living in the panoramic, living in the Panera Bread,
Living in a photogenic.
it's just not the same.
No, this
When I was coming
What's
up,
that?
we used to get together.
we used to, but you know, we can't do that now. So how y'all really feeling about it?
You know, it don't bother me. I don't like people knowing.
I don't like the restrictions.
Tell the people we're in the middle of a mukbang.
Yeah, y'all went out there. Let me let the family get that time to call you back.
What was that?
Don't worry.
Now, like I was saying, exactly how y'all feeling about this whole COVID situation and Christmas and this 2020 as we're coming to a close?
2021, me please.
At this point, whatever happens, happens.
Y'all have to speak up.
At this point, whatever happens, happens.
My 2020 was still good.
Yeah, you know, we
It
here,
ain't bother me.
we breathing. Nobody in this room had COVID, so we good.
I'm still working.
So,
you living good?
I need to take back my
The way you said it, you was just like nobody in the room had it. And I was wondering how you were so positive.
I know that.
It is what it is. I mean,
I
everybody's
just
still
guess
here.
with you.
Everybody's been free from it.
I don't got
The world changed, a lot changed. Bottom line is, I mean, you have to adjust. This is the new normal. So get with it or get sick.
Whoa.
period. Pooh.
True statement.
That's how I look at it. But I think different.
Mm-hmm.
I just think you don't like going outside anyway.
Well,
I think you just don't like going outside anyway.
I fight it every day at work. I take so many chances at work. I don't want to take chances on the weekend.
yeah, that's true, but you don't want to do anything.
A little bit.
I wanted to do zoo lights this year, but somebody wasn't having it.
Zoo lights expensive this year. They want
Yeah.
$30 a person.
Mm.
Toddlers too.
Oh, $30?
Mm-hmm.
$30 for a toddler?
Well,
Now
$27.99.
you gotta stay home.
For real? We ain't gonna stay home.
We gonna ride through River Oaks.
We always do that.
We just get out and walk though.
Yeah, but you can't walk this year. They said no. They don't want anyone exiting their vehicles.
I'm walking in the Caucasian neighborhood after 9. Sorry, not sorry.
It is what it is. When I was young, I used to always want a big family. Big families are very expensive, and it always costs us a lot of money to do whatever we do as a family. But now, within this COVID situation, I am so grateful and thankful for my big family, because there are people out there that really don't have a whole lot of people. I mean, they may not have anyone, or they may have small families, and I actually been told around the holidays is when they wish that they had big families. So mine is a blessing. But sometimes I'm like, man, it just costs so much money no matter what we want to do. But I'm grateful. I'm thankful. Britton is going to be graduating soon.
So is Coco.
I'm proud of you, man. Thank you, dude. Truly am, bro. But if you're proud of me, you gotta proud of me.
You don't understand.
I'm sorry, this chicken is good.
I get it. I get it.
These corns are so small, but they are delicious.
Is it supposed to be corns or like is the plural word of just corn? It's just corn both times. I hate to be
Well, you
so-
could not mess up around this boy. Could not.
I hate to be so technical.
Tonight is corns with the nest. I know y'all probably wondering, we're all in pajamas, and you know, I know y'all see Britton. He's festive with his Christmas shirt, but it was a miscommunication.
They didn't have a size swole at the store.
I really did try to order him a pair of pajamas, but they were sold out. D barely made the cut, because when I ordered our pajamas at first, they were sold out of his size. Second round came, they had his size, but didn't have size swole. So,
You said mukbang. I thought you was talking about like the ASMRs, what they was gonna hear.
What?
That's what it's called.
Mhm.
ASMR. I watch those to go to sleep.
Before I left for school, I didn't even like Wingstop.
you didn't like wings?
I didn't like Wingstop. I was so hooked on Bonfire.
That ain't been good since it's been kayak.
I gotta get a picture with Britt.
This
We
is
made it
so
for
cool.
what, 10 years? Year 11?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, this is 11. Well, no, yeah, 10.
Trying to talk about.
I've been around.
Has it been that long?
Right before my 13th birthday or something, right?
Right before I was born.
He was top by.
Now they got.
Getting Judy, baby.
Who?
He get Judy every day.
Right, that's good.
What's that?
Go ahead and explain, D.
Tell him what it, yeah. Go ahead. D, tell him what Judy mean. Y'all want to know what Judy mean? When somebody say you looking good, baby, you dripping, you all that. You Judy.
That's me.
You what?
You Judy.
Okay.
On to the next one. Daddy, how you feeling back there? I don't know, but this Louisiana rub not really hitting to me. It ain't slapping.
No, Mama, stop.
When we reach your max.
Why
crossed
do the
the
kids
line.
have a problem when we start using their terms, their lingo? Why is it always a problem? Like we just don't use it right?
It don't sound
Or
right.
is it because it's an overkill when we start using?
Overkill, definitely.
Overkill.
Like you saying slap. Okay.
Oh, so I didn't say it right. You said slap.
Yeah, it's like
So
I
it's
understand-
slap
I
with a
understand.
SH.
No,
It's a
it's
C.
SCH.
Oh, excuse SCH.
She
Slap.
gonna be the first person to text this. Watch. She's gonna use this in a text message.
Or then she gonna
She
say,
gonna ask
or
how
she
you
gonna call
spell
me.
slap?
Yeah, she gonna call me. So how you
spell
spell slap
slap?
again?
That's right. I sure
you
will.
gonna see it on a Facebook post.
Right.
Yeah, you might. Now this corn for real. This corn slap.
Thank you guys for all the
Okay,
birthday
so
wishes.
overkill that we
When stop, if you see this, send us a gift card.
You gotta sponsor a family.
Individuals.
You gotta be on the next commercial. A beautiful black family on your next commercial.
Y'all hear that Wingstop? I guess the fact that we're getting together as a family, having dinner
Well,
and
that was
conversation is
fun.
just boring.
It's normal.
A lot of people don't get to eat with
That
their
was-
family.
It's a blessing that we're all here together.
Those of
We
y'all
want-
out there going and hang out with your folk and no mans.
Mask up.
Don't get on Facebook talking about please pray for me. I'm so sick. Y'all this stuff serious.
Message.
Yo, serious when your ass left your house.
Hello. And that's how we gonna end it.
That's a word. That's a word. That's a word. So I want to thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we want to wish all of you a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
From the Hardiman family and a happy and prosperous new year.
Go Aggies!
Go Aggies!
Follow me on socials. If you DM me, I will not tell the family.
We are going to see each of you. Well, not we, but me. I'll see each of you in my next video.
Virtually.
Peace out. Peace out.
Make 'em